just wanted to show our very nice, what do you call this, rose peach. Yan, laki na niya. Kung hindi lang nakain yung isa, ganyan na rin kalaki. This one, ganda oh. There you go. More buds. There. Tapos our knockout. Ganda. Knockout. And our yellow Asiatic lily is starting to open. So, protected na siya dito. Dahil nandito siya wala siya sa ground. And here, the other yellow lilies din to. Ayan. But sad to say, our what do you call it? But there are also pink roses here. And ito, starting to color. Nako, baka makagat na naman to. Hopefully not. Kailangan ko lagyan ng deer repellent. Yan. Our Asiatic lilies pink. Yan usually nawawala. And okay naman yung rose. Ito, malapit na yan mag-pop. I don't know what color this is. Dapat yellow yata or white. And sad to say, something ate our 2 eucharis in the front. And a hydrangea bud. Kainis. Kakalungkot. It's so sad. Here. Hindi naman ikinain. Iniwan lang. Yan, from this one. Ay, nako. Ito na lang, may buds pa. But that is the biggest bud. Kainis. And this one, kumakapal na. Kinain din. Ay, nako. Ay. Maybe wrong, what do you call that? Wrong position. Kainis. Putting deer stopper. Then maybe, but I also what do you call that? Hello, it's afternoon today. It's so hot, 87 degrees, and I just wanted to show our roses. Ang dami ng blooms. Although ang daming worms. Shrug off ko nga yan. Ayan, ang laki. Malaki siya. And this, our knockout. Pag mainit, mas red siya. Pero ang ganda. Ay, mas red. I mean, mas pink. Pink. Pero ang daming worms. Ang daming kagat na naman ng ano. And we have our first petunia. First petunia bloom. Ano na yan? Every year. So, ano yan? It grows every year. It sprouts every year. So, sa pots. That's why I don't clean the pots anymore. And our Asiatic lily will soon open. Starting to open. Yan yung mga dating kinakagat. So ngayon, hindi na siya makakagat dahil mataas na siya. And our pink rose. Starting to bloom also. Although madami din kagat. Yan. So that's it for now from this view. Yan. Okay. Our oriental lilies have bloomed. Ay, hindi pala oriental lily yan. Asiatic. Asiatic lily. Ganda. Yun ang maganda. Tricolor or bicolor. Ito pang dalawa. Okay, and our rose pink then have bloomed. Ayan, ganda. Although may mga kumakain kasi. Oh, tingnan, pangit na ng ano. Pangit ng petals. But still, ito maganda. And another look. And also, our yellow lily has bloomed. Ito yung mga kinakain noon. There you go. Ganda. Yellow. Ito red. This one is red. And of course, our, what do you call that? Our roses. Still very nice looking. Ito malapit na ang mga coneflowers. Okay. Hello. It's another day and I just want to see how my plants are doing. This one, the buds are growing bigger. My rose cuttings, they have leaves. Ito, meron ding leaves. Ito, may konting sprouting there. Ito, more leaves. Itong iba, medyo wala pa. Pero yun, may leaves na din siya. And the clematis, we bought a trellis from Home Depot yesterday, and June is preparing a new garden bed, small lang, in the front. And this is my dahlia, one dahlia that I put in a pot. It's a red dahlia. And my kamatis, tomatoes. Meron na naman nag-try mag-dig. Pero hindi ko inaalis yung cage. And I might separate some. They're 5 all in all. Tapos my what do you call this? My sunflowers. Inalis ko na yung cage kasi hindi na siya kasya. Naiipit yung leaves. And I will plant that in the front garden that June is preparing. And our dahlia, dito, medyo mas maliit siya. Pero mas maliit naman yung corm niya. And my hen and chicks, hindi ko pa na-separate. I should separate it and put some here. Okay. So, it's hot. Ito ang aming peach roses. And then the knockout. So, the new ones are more red. The newly opened blooms are more red. Yung iba, nagiging pink na siya. And our coreopsis has opened. One. This is a yellow gold coreopsis. I don't remember the name. And our lavender, small, pero may flowers. And this one, daming buds. This is the Shasta daisy. And dianthus. And our Asiatic lily na isa. There, yellow. Yan yung kinakain last year ni Chipmunk. And this one red. Getting ready to bloom. And dalawa na ang aming petunia flowers kahapon. Yung purple lang. Tapos, the coneflowers. Buds. Taas nitong bud na to. Yan. Shasta daisy, dami ding buds. Ako, baka ma-disturb ko na naman yung bird. Ay, nandyan nga siya. Oh, lumipad na siya. Lipad muna siya. And here is pink roses. Nag-bloom na din. Pero talaga yung buds niya, may mga kagat-kagat. Anyway, maganda pa rin naman. Yan, pink. And our hosta. And as usual, there, the Asiatic lilies. 2 more buds to bloom. 2 more buds. Ayun yung mother bird. Umalis muna siya. Ganda nitong ano, delphinium. Ayan, full ano na siya. Full bloom. Ganda, blue. Musta naman kaya ang, ayan, meron ding bloom. May buds din ang Shasta Daisy. My dahlia. And this one is white, I think. Sana hindi makain. White Asiatic lilies. Although parang mukha siyang ano, oriental lily. We'll see. And then, nagpo-form na ng bud to. I need to, ayan, may bud na siya. And this one, I need to spray. Baka mamaya makain. Yung exotic lily na dun, oh, hindi na lumaki. O baka ibang ano siya. Natatakpan kasi. Anyway. June made another garden bed here. Lagay niya yung trellis ng clematis. And our, what do you call this? Geranium. Nag-bloom na pink. And this one, may buds. Mga petunia yan. Na bumabalik every year. And geranium. Geranium. Begonia rin to. Pikati. Sana makabuhay. Ito, yung last na hosta, yung pinakamaliit. And, sadly, nawala yung new leaves yung aking yucca na green. Nilipat ko kasi. Anyway, my geraniums. Begonia yun eh. Ito yung mga begonia, rose begonia. So, malaki ng pinakamalaki. I think yellow yung malalaki. Ito pa. And, the other. Siguro ito red. Maliliit siya. And, our yellow rose has bloomed. Nag-bloom ang aming yellow rose. Yan, hopefully, hindi na makain tong euchera and hydrangea. Dami pa namang buds. Yan, malapit na to mag-flower. Coneflower. Our yellow true bloom rose. Daming kagat. I should spray. And another rose. Ayan. Another true bloom. Orange yan eh. And this one, Dianthus, nag-bloom ulit. Hydrangea. And, itong rose na to, kakaiba itsura niya. May kumakagat eh. Ano ba yun? Anyway, basta may color. Okay na rin. Ito, these are like all small alliums. Ayan, alliums. Nasusunog ang aming hydrangea. Init kasi pati eucarella. Hopefully, they're okay lang. Ito na. Nag-bloom na ang lavender. Ganda. Our Euchera, may bulaklak din. Wala na si Bleeding Heart na goodbye na. Goodbye. Yan, coneflower. Ito, hydrangea. Malapit na siyang mag-bloom. Oh, itong aking red rose. Malapit na mag-open. Yung isang kasamahan niya nawala na. Ito, we call that caramel, Euchera. And ito, yung malaking hydrangea. At least may bud dito. There's a bud here. Sa ilalim. Pero isa lang nakikita kong bud. Butas-butas na. Ang ganda nito. Green siya. Pero yung ilalim niya is purple. Ganda, no? Parang ngayon ko lang siya nakita na ganyan. And the white, what do you call this? Oh, I forgot the name. White yarrow. Yarrow. In here, white then combined with the yellow. And I have to deadhead this yellow rose. Nagpa-flop tong yellow yarrow. Daming butas. Ito rin. Yellow rose. Parang may sakit ba to? Daming kumakagat. I will spray that later on. Yun pa to. Natakpan na. Ang ganda niya. Green na green. Daming kumakagat. This one, nakakatuwa. Yellow rose. Iba na itsura niya. Open na open. Ganyan na itsura niya. Dati malalaki din yan eh. But still, naka yung mga daylilies. Yan, getting ready to bloom. Uy, butterfly. Our hosta has a flower stalk. Ganda nitong flower ng Euchera na to. And we have a daylily which bloomed. Nakatungo. Ang dami pang buds. Ayun, red to. Red. This one is red. Or dark red. Okay. Init na. Blanket flower. And malapit na mawala ang aming foxglove. Okay.